Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here is a little tips and tricks video for those that want to upgrade RAM memory in their PCs, be it a desktop computer or a laptop. Once you know the type of RAM that you need, what you need to know is that there are a lot of manufacturers that make RAM memory, and they're not all equal. One of the reasons why you got to be careful in choosing at least a minimum of quality RAM memory is that it's probably one of the number one causes of blue screens and of crashes on computers. RAM, if it becomes defective, will create all sorts of weirdness in your PC, from weird boot ups to, like I said, blue screens, freezes. And all of this can be random. It can be days without having a problem. Then suddenly one day tons of problems happen. Faulty memory modules are up there in the list of some of the most common PC problems. And of course, people will complain that Windows is bad, or that Windows is always crashing and it's a bad system, when in reality, the hardware is to blame. My tips are, if you are going to buy RAM, do buy a known brand RAM memory, like Crucial, like Patriot, Corsair. Get memory that is of a known brand name for RAM modules. And the reason why, you'll have a higher chance of having better quality RAM. If you have a desktop computer, you might want to invest in RAM that has its own heat sinks, which actually will help it stay cool and might actually make the lifespan of the RAM modules, extend almost forever. Try to avoid cheap, non-branded Chinese RAM. This is flooding the hardware market. Of course, the attractive side of it is it's very cheap compared to other RAM modules. But although you can be, a happy camper and get some really good RAM and it works well, you can easily fall into faulty RAM, or RAM that works well for a while but gets quickly faulty or problematic. That's why staying into known brands is a good idea. And my last but not least tip is, if you are to upgrade RAM, upgrade all of it. Don't mix modules. Don't mix brands together. This could also be a cause of problems. Sometimes memory modules don't like each other. It might be some kind of incompatibility in the way they work. Even though they are made for your system, even though they are made for the bus speed and to be compatible with everything, it can happen. So the best bet is buy, if you're going to, for example, add 2 memory modules, well, buy 2 of the same brand, so that you know that they should technically be the best compatibility together. Mixing can still work, but it's a chance. It can actually cause problems sometimes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.